Hello garden lovers, welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your premier destination for expert advice and inspiration in the realm of outdoor aesthetics. Today, we delve into a fundamental yet often overlooked aspect of garden design called the garden pathway design ideas. Before watching this video, kindly please support this channel by clicking subscribe, leaving a comment or hit the like button, and sharing it with your friends and family. Let us commence by elucidating the essence of garden pathway design. At its core, a garden pathway design transcends the mere creation of a route through your outdoor space. It embodies the thoughtful arrangement of materials, forms, and spatial considerations to establish defined circulation, enhance visual appeal, and contribute to the overall narrative and functionality of your garden. A well-conceived pathway design harmonizes with the existing landscape, guiding the eye and foot while seamlessly integrating practical access with aesthetic charm. It considers factors such as the garden's layout, the intended use of different areas, the surrounding plant life, and the desired style, ensuring that the pathway becomes an integral and complementary element of the entire garden composition. Now, let us explore the manifold advantages of incorporating a well-designed pathway into your garden. Beyond its obvious function of providing a means of traversal, a thoughtfully planned pathway offers a plethora of benefits. Firstly, it enhances accessibility, allowing for easy movement throughout the garden, particularly during inclement weather, and preventing damage to delicate plantings. Secondly, it contributes significantly to the organization of the garden, defining distinct zones and creating a sense of order and structure. Thirdly, a well-executed pathway elevates the aesthetic appeal of your outdoor space, acting as a visual anchor and adding character and sophistication. Furthermore, pathways can enhance safety by providing a clear and stable surface, reducing the risk of trips and falls. They can also contribute to property value by demonstrating meticulous landscaping and attention to detail. Finally, pathways can subtly guide the visitor's experience, leading them to focal points, inviting exploration, and shaping their interaction with the garden. How to decorate my garden. Pathway design. Look beautiful. Transitioning to the realm of aesthetics, let us consider strategies to elevate the visual allure of your garden pathway design. Enhancing the beauty of your pathway involves a harmonious blend of material choices, bordering elements, and surrounding embellishments. Consider incorporating border plants along the edges of your pathway to soften the lines and add a touch of natural elegance. Low-growing flowers, ornamental grasses, or neatly trimmed hedges can create a visually appealing transition between the pathway and the adjacent planting beds. Integrating decorative edging using materials such as bricks, stones, or metal can also define the pathway and add a touch of sophistication. Furthermore, consider the strategic placement of lighting fixtures along the pathway. Solar-powered stake lights, lanterns, or recessed ground lights can not only enhance safety during the evening, but also create a magical ambiance, highlighting the pathway's form and the surrounding foliage. Incorporating decorative elements, such as small sculptures, bird baths, or strategically placed stepping stones within the pathway, can add visual interest and personality. Finally, ensure that the pathway surface itself is well maintained and free of debris, allowing its inherent beauty to shine through. What the best materials for garden pathway design? Choosing the right material is crucial for a garden pathway that is both beautiful and functional. Here are 7 of the best options to consider. One, gravel. The economical and versatile choice. Gravel pathways offer an affordable and highly adaptable solution for garden walkways. Available in various sizes from fine pea gravel to larger crushed stone and a spectrum of colors, gravel provides good drainage and a natural aesthetic. It's relatively easy to install and maintain, though some weeding may be required, and it can shift over time, potentially needing occasional raking or topping up. 2. Stepping stones. The natural and informal touch. Stepping stones crafted From natural stone like flagstone or slate, concrete, or even reclaimed wood, lend a more informal and organic feel to a garden. They allow for the integration of greenery between the stones, creating a lush and inviting path. Stepping stones are ideal for meandering paths in less heavily trafficked areas. Consider the spacing to ensure comfortable strides. 3. Paving. Stones or patio pavers, the durable and design-oriented option. Paving stones, available in a vast array of shapes, sizes, colors, and materials including brick, concrete, and natural stone, offer exceptional durability and design flexibility. They can be laid in intricate patterns to create a formal or contemporary look. While the initial cost and installation can be higher, pavers provide a stable and long-lasting surface with relatively low maintenance. 4. Mulch or wood chips. The soft and natural woodland path. For a softer, more natural pathway that blends seamlessly with woodland or informal garden settings, mulch or wood chips are an excellent choice. They are comfortable underfoot and help suppress weeds while retaining soil moisture. However, these materials decompose over time and will require periodic replenishment to maintain their depth and appearance. 5. Brick. The classic and timeless elegance. Brick pathways exude a sense of classic charm and enduring elegance. Their warm, earthy tones and the ability to be laid in various patterns like herringbone or running bond make them a versatile choice for traditional and cottage-style gardens. Brick is durable, but can be more expensive than some other options, and proper installation is key to its longevity. 6. Natural stone like flagstone or slate. The unique and organic feel. Natural stone pathways, using materials like flagstone, slate, or limestone, offer a unique and organic aesthetic that blends beautifully with natural landscapes. Each stone has its own character, creating a visually interesting and textured surface. Installation can be more labor-intensive due to the irregular shapes, but the result is a durable and timeless pathway. 7. Cobblestones. The charming and durable old-world look. Cobblestones, typically made from granite or basalt, offer a robust and charming old-world aesthetic. Their rounded surfaces create a textured pathway that is exceptionally durable and can withstand heavy foot traffic. While installation can be more complex and potentially costly, a cobblestone path adds significant character and longevity to a garden design. And finally, for the conclusion, let's explore the top 10 best garden pathway design ideas to inspire and spark your imagination. 1. The classic brick pathway. Employing traditional red bricks laid in a herringbone or running bond pattern creates a timeless and elegant pathway that complements various garden styles. Consider adding a contrasting brick border for definition. 2. The serene stepping stone path. Large, irregularly shaped natural stone stepping stones, spaced amidst lush ground cover like creeping thyme or mondo grass, offer a natural and inviting path, perfect for informal gardens. 3. The rustic gravel garden walk. A pathway constructed from pea gravel or crushed stone, bordered by weathered logs or rough-hewn timber, evokes a natural and relaxed atmosphere, ideal for cottage or woodland gardens. 4. The formal paver promenade. Precisely cut and laid concrete or natural stone pavers in geometric patterns create a sophisticated and structured pathway, suitable for more formal garden designs. 5. The enchanting mossy stone path. Allowing moss to naturally grow on stepping stones or along the edges of a stone pathway creates a whimsical and aged aesthetic, perfect for shaded garden areas. 6. The contemporary concrete slab walkway. Large rectangular concrete slabs with visible gaps filled with gravel or low-growing plants offer a clean and modern look, ideal for minimalist garden designs. 7. The inviting wood chip trail. A pathway surfaced with bark mulch or wood chips provides a soft and natural feel underfoot, perfect for meandering through woodland areas or less frequently traveled sections of the garden. 8. The decorative aggregate path. Utilizing decorative gravel or pebbles in various colors and sizes, possibly with embedded mosaic patterns, or larger stones, can create a unique and visually striking pathway. 9. The illuminated stone slab path. Incorporating recessed ground lights along a natural stone slab pathway not only enhances safety, but also creates a dramatic and inviting ambiance during the evening hours. The curved cobblestone lane. A winding pathway constructed from smooth, rounded cobblestones adds a touch of old-world charm and visual interest, encouraging exploration and slowing the pace. A thoughtfully designed garden pathway is an invaluable asset to any outdoor space, enhancing its functionality, safety, and aesthetic appeal. By carefully considering the meaning, benefits, decoration, and materials, you can create a pathway that not only serves its practical purpose, but also elevates the overall beauty and enjoyment of your garden. We encourage you to take these insights and inspirations and embark on the journey of transforming your garden with a beautifully designed pathway. Don't forget to subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more expert tips and inspiring ideas to enhance your outdoor living spaces. Share your pathway design ideas and experiences in the comments below.